This is our egg roll butter.
Hey,
This butter will grow your hair the way you did not expect. Your hair grow butter for just 2 weeks for fast hair grow, guys. For some of you that do natural twists, use this butter to twist your hair. You will.
mommy, tell me off it.
I can't off it. I need to get the creaming that I want. This butter has flaxseed gel, has aloe vera gel, has rosemary. Guys, place your order now.
I want to look at that side. This side.
Do you know this machine
things
is
are
reducing this
fit.
bottle? Hello, Nam Egg Care product people. You can see this egg roll butter. Since 3 months that I've been infusing this butter, this is what I get. Place your order now. I only have this 6 piece of egg roll butter. Can you see it? And I'm going to infuse another one today. So place your order right now. Thank you for using Nam Egg Care product.